Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set any song as your ringtone on your iPhone in 2020. So let's get started right away. So what we want to do is we want to download two apps. One is Bolt, and with this app, you will be able to download the songs you like. And we need GarageBand, and with this, we are going to make the song the right amount of time and export it as a ringtone. So let's get started right away. Unfortunately, for some reason, when I record my screen on the Bolt app, it just freezes the app. I think they did that on purpose, because when I stop recording, it immediately starts working. So for that, I will put a few screenshots I made on the screen right now. So I can walk you guys through the step by step. So let's get started right away. So we want to click on Bolt, and once you have Bolt opened up, you want to go to the search bar and search for SoundCloud. From there on, you can search for any song you want. Then select the song, and this will immediately pop up at your screen. It says the song name and then download, copy link, and cancel. You want to click on download. Once you're downloading the song, you basically want to go to downloads and select the song right there. Then the song is selected at the bottom. So you want to click on the three dots at the bottom right corner and then click on share. Just like that. Then click on save to files and save it anywhere on your phone, and that will just save it so you can do the next steps in GarageBand. Then when we are back here, we want to open up GarageBand, and once you're here, you want to click on the plus icon at the top right corner, and we want to have this one selected right here, the audio recorder. Click on that. Click on OK. Make sure clean is selected. That is the top one. Then deselect that. And we want to click on the plus icon once again at the top right corner, just like this small icon right there. And we want to click on section A. Make sure this is at 30 seconds, just like this. Click on done. We want to click on that icon right there at the top left corner. So there's like a recorder tab. Once you've done that, we want to click on this sort of circle icon at the top right corner. And we want to have file selected right there. Then click on browse items from the files app. And if you just downloaded it, it should probably be the first one that will pop up right here. So just select that song. And then we want to long hold the song, and we want to put it on there right now. And as you can see, this is the song. And if you want to start it immediately on the drop, we're just gonna trim it just like this. Make sure it's set to the first one, and then make sure it is the full length once again. And when we play it, you will probably hear the song playing. That's basically it. Now you have put your song in there. We want to click on this drop down arrow, then select my songs. This will save the song, and we want to click our long hold on the song. Scroll a bit down, click on share. As you can see right here, we want to select ringtone, and then click on continue and give it a name. Something like ringtone 1 or something like that, and just click on export. This will export it as a ringtone, as you can currently see on the screen. And just click on OK. Once you've done all this, we want to go to the settings, go to sounds and haptics, and we can click on ringtone. And as you can see at the top, it says ringtone 1. And as you can see, or as you can hear, if you select it, you can hear the ringtone, and that is basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.